In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off auto brightness feature on iOS 16 and later. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and there scroll down for a bit to get into accessibility. And there all you have to do is to open up display and text size, and there scroll down to the very bottom where it is auto brightness feature. Now it's on, so now brightness on my device change depending on outside condition, depending on light sensor. And if you want to disable that option, so you can just actually turn it off, and now you can set brightness of display by opening up your control center and changing that slider. So now I reduce brightness as you see, and now I increase the brightness. And actually that's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.